Of course, I'm a market woman. I don't always forget to carry extra comb. You guys know why? Because in case if I just park one side and I enter the bike to brush my synthetic hair. And of course, I'm a market woman. I don't also forget to carry my sack bag. Makagene, this bag is very, very expensive in the market. You end up buying it 300 naira. So there's no way, guys, I can buy this bag in the market 350, 300 naira. Why I have it as in it's even plenty in my house. So you guys can see. Of course, I'm a market woman. There's no how your girl will not forget to carry her power bank, because here be Jemba. Of course, I'm a market woman. I always remember to carry my jota. So this particular book, every single thing I will buy in the market, so I don't end up forgetting things that I'm buying. Of course, I'm a market woman. Sometimes I carry, not even sometimes, I always carry my ATM card because you know now, sometimes all the cash that we carry in our bag will not be enough, so we end up withdrawing another money. You know the condition of some things in Nigeria, you can end up carrying plenty money inside your bag, but still yet you still withdraw extra cash from your account. Of course, I'm a market woman, a proud market woman. I don't forget to carry my big bag. You know why? Because of my phone. I don't joke with my phone. Like, do you used to carry my bag to the market like this? Like, I put it as in very close to my armpits. Hey, I grew up in Otu, in Onitsha, so I know what criminals can do. They will end up collecting that your phone, even if you are using it to film. That's why sometimes I used to hold my phone tight, like very tight, once I'm filming in the market. But this theater, they are not like that, but sometimes you can be very, very careful. Very, very careful. Of course, I'm a market woman. Maybe sometimes I won't be, because of the sun, I might end up removing this wig and wear my cap. Because of it, I cannot come and kill myself. I'm just saying the truth. So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is another video, guys. So I'm going to the market now. I want to buy some few things. I'm buying a lot today. Like, I haven't carried 2 sack bags. I'm buying a lot. I'm buying some few clothes. I'll still buy some food items for the house. I also, guys, join me and let's go to the market. Oh my, I'm so stressed. This sun is too much. Hey God, if I reach market, I will just come out this week. I cannot come and kill myself because I cannot come and kill myself by myself. If this one is too much for me, I'll just come. I'll drag it out. I'll just remove the wig. Okay guys, so I will see you once if I get to the market, I will film everything I'm buying, but I'm not sure of filming everything. This earring is available, guys. I don't know whether you guys can see it. It's available. I have it, I think it's up to 8. So if you need it, you can still slide in our DM, maybe on WhatsApp or Instagram. Even the glasses as well, I have it in so many colors. Yeah, it's available in different types of colors. I have it in red, green, peach, and pink. So do well to patronize us. So guys, if you are new here, my name is Osyjenny, and thank you for stopping by. You guys don't even know what to answer. You guys don't know the love that I get once I get new subscribers, or once I see new faces here. Like, I feel so happy. So do it to subscribe, guys. Do it to support your girl. Just keep on supporting, because it's your support that keeps me moving. It's your support, guys, that makes, that motivates me to keep on doing more, to keep on doing things like posting back to back. Just that this past few weeks, your girl is stressed out. Like, you guys can see my face now. I'm so stressed. I just feel that everything will just go on well, and we'll just have time to take good care of myself, because lately I've not been taking care of myself. I will not lie. I have not been taking care of myself, but my mind will definitely calm down. So guys, don't forget to comment. And yeah, I based in Delta State, Ughelli precisely. I based in Ughelli, Delta State, and keep on watching. Watch this video to the end, okay? And if you have not watched my previous video of how we discovered about my son's illness, don't forget to go back and watch that video, so that you'll not be surprised, like, what is this lady talking about? Like, what is she talking about? We saw Dre again. So just go back to that video so you can watch it and be updated. So, and also watch how some hospitals almost ruined my son's life, but we all give God the praise. You can also check the video. This one is how much? How much? You just how much? Can we say get different type? This one how much? This one how much? You give me that one? This one is this one. I'll give you 5. No, give me small one. Look at that way they give me so. That way get your type of leg. Okay, this part will resemble you. Now way they touch, it resemble you.
Many are destroyed by desire. No joy, no peace, fighting for the throne. Oh, Jesus, oh, nigga, no do no Jesus. Oh, nigga.
My sister. I just said no sister.
highlifeng.com. Just for power.
mechanic?
Yes.
How come you go to Nigeria?
No. That's the neighbors.
You want to watch PJ Masks?
Yeah.
In about food, it's in that Jen. You may go and Asia about food.
No, that's my leg.
You want to watch PJ Masks?
Yes.
You want to go ask that fuel. I wait kind of fuel on a Jen. I start to see. You got that.
The next
name?
Yes.
What's your name? So you are among the ladies that prepare this food.
Yeah, actually, by profession, I'm a caterer.
Wow, that's so nice. Very rich. We don't need more copper, so. To your belly. Sweetheart, this one here is so nice. So tell me, how do you feel after eating the whole rice? If your blessed don't full.
I will not eat this night. I'll just sleep like that.
Anyways, you don't feel that.